Your videos aren't going viral, and it's not because of your camera, your location, or your story. It's because of this. I'm going to show you the exact 5 After Effects tricks that top creators use to stop the scroll in 2026. And most of them take under 60 seconds to pull off. If you're new here, we do quick tutorials, free presets, and plugin breakdowns that actually save you time. Today we're covering the 5 techniques that are absolutely everywhere in viral content right now. Reels, TikToks, YouTube Shorts, and I'll show you how to do each one inside After Effects, some with one click, no excuses. Quick heads up, the download link for every plugin I mention in this video is directly in the description. Let's get into it. Trick number 1 is the match cut, and if you've seen it done right, you know why it goes viral. Most people think this takes hours of frame-perfect editing. Nope. Inside After Effects, with Click Zoom Pro, I can create this in literally seconds. I just type the text describing what match cut I want, for example, ChatGPT. Then I click Match Cut, Add Sound, and Act 1. The plugin handles the transition timing automatically. That's it. That's a match cut that looks like a $10,000 production. And it took 20 seconds. That's what makes them stop scrolling. Speed ramps. If you've been on Instagram in the last 2 years, you've seen this. With Camera 3D Toolkit Pro, I hit one button, literally one click, and it generates a perfect speed ramp on whatever frame I'm on. The curve is smooth, the timing is professional. Done. Left, manual speed ramp. Right, Camera 3D Toolkit Pro. Look at the curve. That's the difference between amateur and pro. The secret? Put the slow-mo at the moment of maximum tension, not after. Right before the peak. That's what creates anticipation, and that's what keeps people watching. Alright, this one is trending hard right now. You've seen it in Apple's ads, you've seen it in music videos, and now creators are putting it on everything. I'm talking about the liquid glass effect. Is that translucent, frosted, refractive glass that makes your text boxes and overlays look insanely high-end. With the liquid glass script, I literally just click one button and it's done. That's it. This is the effect right now. Every brand, every creator, every music video. Get ahead of it before it's oversaturated. Camera movements create emotion. Camera 3D Toolkit Pro is what I use for every single one of my camera animations. I select my layer, open the panel, and choose Target. It creates a 3D camera that automatically focuses on my subject. Now I just set a push-in path, dial in the speed, add a tiny bit of depth of field blur, and what was a flat, boring shot now has cinema level depth. Static photo on the left, camera 3D push on the right. Same image. The difference is everything. Why this goes viral? Emotion. A push in at the right moment triggers the viewer's brain to feel something. That emotional hit makes them share. Last one, and this is the one nobody talks about, film grain and color grading. If you found this useful, hit the like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow and lets me keep making content like this for free. And if you want every single plugin I use in this video, I've dropped the download link directly in the description. I'll see you there.